Kunwari mga ninja kayo. Wala mo nakakatok ha. Okay, may ingay. Pwesto. Katok.
Nakalak. Cover me.
Huli ka. Good morning, Jonary. Good morning, Sans.
Team Magusan, eto na kami. Sanay ka bang di maligo?
Sanay ka bang mangitim?
Sanay ka bang hindi tumahe?
Sanay ka bang maglakad sa putek?
Sanay ka bang lumangoy?
Nakatutuwang isipin na minsan nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na makapunta sa malayong lupain. Kahit nasanay kami sa buhay sa syudad, lagit-lagi pa rin naming sinasariwa ang mga karanasan sa Agusan Marsh. Bagamat mahirap ang buhay doon, natutunan namin kung paano makisalamuha sa iba, lalong-lalo nang mamuhay kasama ang kalikasan. At sa lahat ng aming naranasan, ito ang mga hindi malilimutang sandali. At sa lalim ng aming pinagsamahan, meron na atang nagkain laban.
There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. What's happening? I can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. Sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forever
At kung minsan, may mga taong kinakailangan magpaalam. Pero joke lang yon. Walang iwanan sa Team Agusan.
Ingat! I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change.
Ang gusto ko sa lalaki ay di masyadong malaki ang katawan. Type ko'y payat malamang. Kahit na siya hindi gwapo, sa akin siya ay pasado. Kung mayroong bigote, nakakakiliti kasi. Simple lang ako. Sorry na lang, pare.
Good night.
Yeah.